Welcome to our Ecogreen LVD product showcase video. As you can see, we have a wide range of products. Now we'd like to introduce some of our products for different various applications. The first lamp you can see here is a floodlight and is used for lighting up places like compound, warehouses, car parks, or anywhere that need must light floodlight. And this is a round type. We also have floodlight in square type housing. Next, you can see on your left, this is our high bay light for various applications at different heights. The one you see here can be mounted at 4 to 6 meters. And the one you can see here can be mounted at 10 to 14 meters. And this is a fully prismatic type, whereby you can see the housing is also made of high quality polyurethane cover. And it's best used for places like hypermarket, whereby they need to illuminate the whole premises. And this features here is meant for food industry. The cover of the fixture is also using plastic, which is a requirement for food industry. And you can see here we have some tunnel light and we have also strip lamps. Our strip lamps come in various sizes of fixtures for different applications like car parks, tunnel, expressway. And you can see over here we have the square type of floodlight which I had mentioned. And this is a bigger fixtures for higher wattage. And apart from strip lamps, tunnel light, floodlights, and high bay lights, we also have perimeter lights and also explosion proof for places like petrol kiosks or factory dealing with petrochemicals. To visit our website or contact us to find more about our range of products. We have a wide variety for a wide range of applications. Do contact us now. Thank you.